Hello and welcome to MSA TV. I'm Alan Roscoe. I'm a product line manager at MSA, and I'm going to talk to you today about a really great product that we have in our permanent instrument group. It's called the Chillgard RT refrigerant monitor. Why do you want to detect refrigerants? Well, in a lot of mechanical equipment rooms, there are chillers that have a lot of refrigerant in the actual chiller itself. From time to time, these refrigerants can leak out. So you want an early detection warning as to when the refrigerant leaks out. Why do you care? Well, refrigerants are expensive, and you want something that will detect it as quickly as possible. So you want a good, reliable product for detection of the refrigerant gases. Also, there are other considerations as well. The fact that some of these refrigerants are toxic. Also, some of these refrigerants are ozone depleting. So it's really a health concern that we want to address with a product like this. Another reason is ASHRAE 15. You may be familiar with this standard, which points out the fact that when you have a chiller in a mechanical equipment room of a decent size, you need to have a refrigerant monitor in there to protect from exposure to refrigerant gases and to detect the leaks. So what we came up with at MSA is a refrigerant monitor based on a technology which is really a differentiating factor for us. You'll notice on this product that we have a label that says powered by PIR technology. The PIR stands for photoacoustic infrared. It's a great technology. I'm not going to go into a whole lot of detail on it. We have information readily available on our website at msanet.com that has information on photoacoustic, explains what it is, explains the advantages of it. So at your leisure, you can go out to that website, find out more information on this product, on that technology, and learn as much as you'd like. But one thing I could say about it with certainty is it's a great technology, one of the most reliable in the industry for detection of refrigerant gases. So you really want a nice, stable product that's going to be reliable and detect the gas of interest. So let's point out a couple other features of this product. One of the features, as you can see, is this display, which gives you information on the refrigerant gas, how much you're being exposed to at a particular period of time. Underneath that display, you also see a keypad. The keypad gives you access to a lot of more information on the product. You'll be able to calibrate the product. You'll also be able to look at the diagnostics, and you'll also be able to do setup as well. One thing I can mention about this product is we see a lot of different refrigerants with this technology. Really, what I like to say is that the refrigerant industry hasn't come up with a commercially available refrigerant that we can't see with this product. So we've done a lot of application work on this, and we've really been able to solve a lot of customer applications with this particular product. So as I say, display and keypad is really your key to interrogating the product. Another feature is this optional beacon. The beacon can be used to alert somebody from a distance as to what's going on with the product very quickly. If the beacon is flashing, it's an indication that you have an alarm or something going on with the product that isn't right. So you can set up the alarm conditions to detect different levels of refrigerant gas. Okay, let's take a look inside at the product, and we'll learn a little bit more about the features of the Chillgard RT refrigerant monitor. First off, here is where you would power the product. We have the power supply here. This connector will take in either 110 or 220 volts AC. Another feature is actually the photoacoustic infrared bench, which is located behind this box. In the photoacoustic infrared bench is temperature controlled to provide the most stability for the product itself, which allows for detection down to 1 part per million level of the various refrigerants that it's trying to monitor. Another feature is a pump located internally. This pump is capable of pulling sample in from up to 500 feet. So it's very useful when you have the Chillgard RT located quite a distance away from where you're actually trying to sample the product. Over here we have the actual sample points. You can see we actually have in this product 8 sample lines which can bring in sample from a number of different locations. So in a situation where you may have a number of chillers in a mechanical equipment room or even several mechanical equipment rooms, you can bring sample in from each of those locations back into one Chillgard RT. Another feature is a 85 decibel horn located at the bottom of the product. How loud is 85 decibels? Well, it's very loud. It'll certainly get your attention even in a loud mechanical equipment room. A couple other features on the product as well are some of the outputs that we have available on the product. Also in this product, we have 4 relays which allow a customer to set up for 3 levels of alarm. There's caution, warning, and a major alarm, as well as a fault. Another output of the device is a 4 to 20 milliamp output, and you can also have a 0 to 10 volt output, which is useful for going back to control systems to allow you to get information on the product functionality without having to actually go to the instrument itself. Okay, thank you very much for taking the time out to learn a little bit more about the Chillgard RT. I've covered some basic features. As I've talked about, there's a lot more to learn about this product, and you can go out to msanet.com to learn more, or what you can do is contact your local territory manager who will be happy to talk with you more about this product. Thank you and have a good day.